so we all need to chitty chat because do you really know what all summer barbecue encompasses? Do you really know all the food that you should probably be paying attention to before it, in quotes, goes away? Yep, let's go. Hey everybody, E here, and wanted to go ahead and break in here real quick. So I understand that not everybody wants to know the inner workings of Dollar General, but if you want to be a better penny shopper, then it makes sense to know kind of how things work because you want to be able to track things and find pennies on your own before YouTubers release the pennies. You want to have a heads up. You want to be able to get out there before the masses know about it. So today we're going to talk about summer barbecue because what we all know as summer barbecue is just, our popsicles and our slushies and a handful of things. Whereas there's actually a number of summer food, drinks, snack sections that won't necessarily penny with summer barbecue, but there are items that penny later on in the year or the following year. And guess what? Those items are in summer POGs. Just a quick refresher, a POG is just a planogram. When you go in your Dollar General and you see they're changing, seasons or they're changing a section to something different, the POG is just basically what items are in that section, what ones go on the top shelf, what order, middle, bottom, what have you. So it's just the setup of a section. And these are all sections that come out for summer. And then a lot of these specialty items, mixes, flavors do actually penny in our stores. So you definitely want to review this because I guarantee it's going to help you find more food, candy, snacks, drinks now and later. And then I wanted to talk to you about why have I released some cleaning? Right? Some cleaning videos. Like, why is she doing that? Well, one, it is something that I have done for a living for a number of years now. I started my own business, not because I couldn't do anything else, but I was tired of corporate management, office work, Dollar General work. And so I decided, you know what? I've always been a clean freak. I'm going to do this. And it's been 10 years and I've been very successful. But unfortunately, changes are coming, and I have some medical issues that's taking me away from my cleaning, unfortunately, and I'm sorry, but this is 10 years to start your own business and be successful. This is my baby, and I'm having to let go of most of it, and it's very tough for me. So with all of that said, I wanted to share more about easier ways to clean, easier ways to organize. And yes, using our pennies, using our clearance items, because I live pennies. I organize with pennies. I clean with pennies. It's something that I do that I want to help you all do. Because with penny shopping, we don't talk enough about what can happen and how things can get out of hand and quickly. If you're a good shopper and you start scoring, things can get overwhelming. I have been feeling very claustrophobic, so I have been attacking my house to get ready for a fall sale because I haven't done a sale for a very long time. And so one thing about us is we keep shopping, we keep getting, and then we don't get rid of the stuff. And then it affects us mentally, physically. It can be draining, and it can be so much where we don't know where to start and we don't know what to do and we don't feel like tackling it because it's too much. So I want to help with that, and I'm actually doing a contest or a drawing. I want to be your motivator. I want you all to be my motivator. So from now until I'd say a week before Christmas, I'll pick the exact date. I want you all to show me what you have done that I show you. So I want to see before and after pictures. If you didn't watch my first 2 cleaning videos, please do, because here's what we're going to do. If you do something that I do and you show me those before and afters, because I love them, I'm all about instant gratification. I'm sure you guys are too, hence the shopping. So everybody that participates, and I don't care if you do, we'll say the minimum is 2 things. If you attack 2 things in your home and you send me before and after pictures, I'm going to enter you into a drawing and I am going to give away $100 before Christmas. And the only reason I'm doing this is to help you. I know how we can get so bogged down. We have our regular day lives and then our regular house chores and then our penny stuff and our clearance stuff, and it can just bring us down. And I want to help you get control of the chaos, get control of your house, so that when you come home, you're not stressed out. We deal with enough stresses during our days, with our work, with our children. When we come home, our home is supposed to be our woo-saw place. And I know for me, my woo-saw place went out the window about a year ago. So I want to help you. That will also motivate me to keep doing these things. And I want to give you $100 just to get in there and start somewhere. Baby steps. Baby steps. And I want to show you, I got a new camera. Check this out. That's right. 90% off. Amazon. I got. It moves with me. I was so excited. Okay, everybody comment below. Do you want to get better control? Whether you're a penny shopper, a clearance shopper, or you just need to organize your house or attack your shower, do you want to gain more control to make your home a happier, calmer, restful place? Let me know, because we're going to do this and we're going to do it together. Peace, love, pennies, and let's stay healthy and happy. So here's an example of one of the summer barbecue layouts, and obviously everything in this picture pretty much goes, with the exception of that sugar, and clearly that will go back to its regular spot on the shelf, and the rest will penny. Then here's the complete list of everything in that part of the POG, so then you can get all of the different counts and sizes to make sure you're grabbing the right ones. So the top part of this POG section would be all of our different drink mixes, our tea bags that are following the summer barbecue, and bottom row is all of our snow cones and slush puppies and ices. And obviously all of this isn't going to penny, but typically we'll have 2 to 5 drink mixes go with summer barbecue. But again, keep an eye out, because some of these might penny later. And I'm including the full list of everything in that treats and drinks section. So then if you want to keep track of those, screenshot, what have you, so you have all the details if any of them go later in the year or next year. And this one is the summer beverages section that was the POG for this year. But as you can tell, you know, these don't all penny. Now, one of our Arizona teas already did. And then there at the top, you can see our Country Time lemonade pouches that are following our summer barbecue that's on its way to a penny. But then I would make note of the rest of these, because typically we'll have a couple more penny before the end of the year. And definitely keep an eye on the Hawaiian punches. And with summer barbecue comes grilling and a number of condiments that they put in a POG, along with our baked beans and different things. Now, a lot of these have home spots that they will go back to, but then they typically come out with special flavors, whether it's dressings or ranches or different condiments. So these you definitely want to keep an eye on. We have, you know, some of them that are, your miles may vary. We're finding some are marked down in stores, while other stores they're not. but usually we'll have our baked beans and a couple others penny later in the year. And the top section of this would be all of the different, again, sauces, barbecue sauces, pickles, mustards, relish, and there's our pickle ketchup. So again, I provided the detailed list of all of these items. Some will go back to their home spots, but I would be keeping track to make sure none of the other ones will penny here in the next few months. Next up, summer salty snacks. Now, we know 2-3 of these are going to penny with summer barbecue, but keep an eye on those assortment bags of the Clover Valley chips because they're already on clearance. And then again, giving you the complete list so that we can track these as the year goes on if we have any more that fall in and start to discount and later penny. And last but not least, our summer candy pog. And as you can see, there's really only one item that we know of that's following, and that's our ice cream cones. But again, a lot of times, some of our summer candy will discount and penny later. So here's your list again. Keep track of these. Remember, like everything Dollar General, there are going to be items that look exactly the same or very similar, but they are not going to be our pennies. So make sure you scan everything and don't just go off of whether or not it looks the same. And our catsup. I have no idea why these UPCs are like this, but that's how most of the Heinz ketchups are. So you're not able to scan it, you just have to enter the UPC. Another display situation where always pay attention to those new displays coming in, but I am one short on these because my store did not have any left. And here are some cheat sheets you can screenshot or you could print off to make it a little bit easier for you. Also, I'm going to link Christy's Connections webpage where I know she has all visuals because I think I have missed a couple.